Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the level. Enable Lumen or the renderer you prefer, because lighting influences night vision accuracy. Once done, drop a post-process volume and set it to unbound so the effect applies everywhere. Now create a new material set to post-process, using scene color and manipulating emissive output. This becomes the core of the night vision. Make sure you also expose a scalar parameter for intensity so you can tweak strength in real time. Next, you construct the shader. Sample scene color and convert to grayscale with a luminance calculation so brightness dictates the effect. Then amplify midtones using a power or contrast node. This boosts visibility in low light while clamping prevents blown highlights. Once stable, multiply the result with a configurable green tint. This makes the classic night vision look. Also add noise or film grain as a texture multiplied by intensity, because that simulates Finally, assign the material to the post-process volumes blendables and adjust blend weight and priority so it overrides other effects. Create a dynamic material instance to toggle night vision at runtime and expose intensity and tint parameters for gameplay control. Test with different exposure settings. If the view is washed out, lower the shader gain or disable auto exposure temporarily to see true results. If artifacts appear, reduce noise amplitude or sample count. This helps maintain clarity while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.